welcome to Foodie and Crafting Tips. Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare special beetroot wine for this Easter. You can make it in 20 days, so you have very limited time. Even then you can prepare Easter special beetroot wine. So let's make it. So here I'm making 2 liters of wine, so I have taken this much of ingredients. So if you are making more or less, you have to calculate accordingly. Okay, so here I have taken 500 grams of shredded beetroot for 2 liters of wine, 2.5 liters of filtered water, 650 grams of unrefined sugar or normal sugar, it's absolutely fine. Lime juice from 1 lime, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 inch long cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom and 4 to 8 cloves. Spices are optional. And then 1/8 teaspoon of yeast. Make sure you add only 1/8 teaspoon of yeast, otherwise the final product, that is the wine, will smell like yeast. A bit of foul smell will be there, so in order to avoid that, you have to add only 1/8 teaspoon for 2 liters of wine. So calculate accordingly. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and like and share my videos. So let's see what's the step to make special beetroot wine. First of all, take a vessel of 3 liter capacity at least, then add shredded beetroot into the vessel, followed by all the ingredients, other ingredients like lime juice, grated ginger, lemon zest, 1 inch long cinnamon, cardamom and clove. Then add unrefined sugar and mix it well. Then add water and mix it well till all the sugar is dissolved. Taste at this point, and if you want to add more sugar, you can add it. Then boil it for 20 minutes until it is reduced to 2 liters, as we have added more, so we want only 2 liters. So drop the flame and let it rest for another 1 hour so that it cools completely. Once it is cool, it is ready to be filtered. You can use strainer or a muslin cloth or a setup like this that we used in pineapple wine filtration, and filter and transfer it to a glass jar having a capacity of at least 4 liters. So don't worry about the leftover beetroot, because you can make beetroot vanilla cake, and the recipe for that will be shared soon. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of instant yeast and mix it with the wine using a wooden spatula. Then place a tissue paper on the mouth of the jar and close it. The vinification is about to start, and the fermenter should be placed in a dark and warm place. But if your kitchen is small and you don't know what to do, then don't worry, you just have to wrap it with foil and leave it on the kitchen slab. It will be absolutely fine. After 24 hours, you must check for signs of primary fermentation, and the first sign is small air bubbles will move up to the surface, as you can see in the video. I hope it is clear. These air bubbles are nothing but the CO2, which is the byproduct produced during primary fermentation. Secondly, open the jar, burp it, and using a wooden spatula, stir it so that the oxygen will come in contact with the liquid. You should repeat this every day for 15 days, and after the 10th day you will see that the air bubbles are less. Less air bubbles will show up, which means that the primary fermentation is slowing down and it is ready for fermentation, secondary fermentation. After 15 days, the wine should be strained and racked so that secondary fermentation takes place. If you don't know anything about these terms, then kindly watch my pineapple wine recipe, where I have discussed everything in detail. Link is there in the description box. So for straining and racking, this time I used siphon because it was easy to use and there was less chance of the yeast getting inside the secondary fermenter, and even the bottling was easy because of that. To know how to use it, please follow my video, or you can also follow the instruction that is there on the pack, or it is readily available on Google at the same time. Make sure you place the primary fermenter at a higher place to aid the racking process. Once the liquid is transferred to secondary fermenter, the fermenter should be sealed properly and let it rest for 5 to 10 days. And usually I keep it for 5 days, that's enough. But if you have time and you want to keep it for 5 more days, then it's okay. The wine will become a bit more stronger. After 5 days, that is on the 20th day of vinification, the wine is ready to be bottled, so transfer it from the jar to the flip top bottle. For that, keep a funnel on the mouth of the flip top bottle and transfer the liquid from the jar to the bottle. And close the bottle properly so that no air enters the bottle. Now place it in the fridge for some time before tasting. I prefer doing that. And so our wine is ready and it is sweet and light. If you want to keep it for a longer period of time to age, you can do that, and you can use the same batch for next Christmas. I hope you like this video. Please try this at home and happy Easter in advance.